Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we celebrate beauty in every detail. Today, we're looking at a tool that can make a real difference to your everyday look. The Estée Lauder Brow Now Brow Defining Eyebrow Gel Pencil in shade 01 Blonde. It's designed to shape, define, and hold your brows with precision, all in one sleek pencil with a built-in spoolie. Right off the bat, the formula catches your attention. This pencil has a creamy texture that glides easily across the brow, making it simple to fill in sparse areas without feeling heavy or waxy. The pigment is buildable, so you can go from a natural, soft definition to a more dramatic, sculpted brow, depending on your mood or occasion. Plus, it's long wear and waterproof, promising to keep your brows in place throughout the day, rain or shine. The spoolie brush at the other end helps blend the color seamlessly into your natural brow hairs, giving a polished, professional finish without any harsh lines. Using it in my daily routine, I found it incredibly convenient. The pencil's texture allows for fine hair-like strokes, which makes it easy to mimic the natural direction of your brows. The spoolie really helps soften the look, blending the pigment evenly for a natural yet defined appearance. I tested it through a full workday, including an afternoon run in humid conditions, and I was impressed by how well it held up, no smudging or fading. My only slight gripe is that if you press too hard, the pigment can deposit more than intended, so a light hand is key. One of the biggest strengths is its versatility. It suits both subtle, everyday looks and more defined, dramatic brows. The waterproof aspect is a major plus for anyone with an active lifestyle. On the flip side, the pencil is on the pricier side, and those who prefer a matte finish might find the creaminess slightly glossy. Considering value for money, I think it's worth it if you want a high-quality, reliable brow pencil that performs well throughout the day and gives a natural finish. Compared to other high-end brow pencils, Estée Lauder's formula is comparable in pigmentation and longevity, though some alternatives might offer similar performance for a slightly lower price. The build quality of the pencil is sturdy, the spoolie is dense enough for proper blending, and overall, it feels durable enough to last the full lifespan of the product. If you're looking for similar options on a budget, some mid-range pencils offer decent pigmentation and long wear formulas, but the seamless blendability and creamy texture of this Estée Lauder pencil are hard to match. So what's the final verdict? If defined, polished brows are your goal, the Estée Lauder Brow Now Brow Defining Eyebrow Gel Pencil delivers with precision, blendability, and staying power. It's particularly great for anyone who wants a natural yet put-together look without constantly touching up. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this pencil, drop a comment below and share your experience. You can find a link to purchase it in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.